Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a couple of blooms on this canvas. I'm going to be using my hairdryer to blow them out. So I'm going to be doing a deconstructed blooms today. I'm going to start with a white base. And I will let you know what the colors are as I add them to the canvas. I hope I have enough paint in this jar. If not, I have some more that I can add around the outside. It might be slightly, it might be a little bit color in it, but it should tip or spin off. So I'm going to start off with Van Dyke Brown. Then I'm going to add rich gold. And then I have meteorite. This is ore. And this is Calypso Teal. I have 3 cell activators. First white, then black, and then Prussian blue. And I believe they're all Amsterdam. Okay, so when I blow out, I'm going to be turning the sound right off. Okay, I'm going to be using the same colors in the same order. And the first one is Van Dyke Brown. And that's Amsterdam. The rich gold is next. I'm not sure of the brand, I forget. Meteorite is next, and that is this little piggy meteorite. Then I've got ore, also this little piggy. And finally, Calypso Teal. And again, I will be using the same cell activators, white, black, and Prussian blue, in that order. So first, I think I'm going to do some spinning. I'm going to spin it, and then I'll be tilting later on, along with maybe spinning as well. Okay, I'm going to have to add some more paint around the edges because it's not moving. Okay, I'm going to be spinning it, and then I'll tilt. Okay, I'm going to be fast forwarding a lot of this because I have to tilt quite a bit to get it to move off and to get it to the way I want it. And also the reason why I'm going to be fast forwarding a lot of this is because it's moving very slowly, so it's going to take a long time to get it to where I'd like it. I really like this part right here. Okay, I think everything else is okay. I'm pretty much finished stretching it now, and I will show you a close-up. Hi, I'm back with the dried results. It dried okay. It took a long time because I had a lot of paint on there, but it still dried okay. I know it's a little wonky. The cells are pretty wonky. It's stretched. Actually, did the paint split right here. That's the only spot that it did. It stretched out, I guess, too much and split. Anyway, and here too. Anyway, other than that, it's pretty nice. I like it. I'll bring it down for a close-up. Okay then. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye for now. See you in my next one.